Hello, magnificent guests, and today we will initiate the state of the component by running guards and resolvers. So let's jump into the code. This is how our application looks like, and our use case is we have two inputs, and when user presses reset button, we want to take data from the resolver and put it into our form, and we want to rerun our guard. Let's look into our code. We have in app routing module, we will have a form and resolver with a guard. In items resolver, we will return an object with two properties, doc and foot. This is default values for our form. Our guard is actually a step that will always return true, but what we are really interested in console log that will indicate that the guard rerun itself. And our form component, it just has a form with two properties, doc and foot. In ng on init, we will take data from the resolver and put it into our form. In reset page, we will navigate to the same page, and we expect that the guard will rerun themselves. So first what we need to do, navigate into our app routing module, and we can pass parameter run guard and resolvers to always. And we think that it will make guards to rerun, but in reality it doesn't. We need to fix it by navigating to our form component yes and indicating to the router that it should reload the page when we navigate to the same page. So on same URL navigation, we will say reload. Now, when we press reset button, the guard will rerun itself, and also the resolver will rerun itself. But the problem is, in ng on init, it will not trigger it. So this code will not trigger when the guards rerun themselves. We can fix it by subscribing to the data of the root. So we will say activated root, that we call root data, and we subscribe into it. And we will have back data, and we will set this data to our form. Now let's check. As you can see, everything works. So the data from the resolver is back into the form, and those guard is running. But we can improve it. If you don't like to have this configuration in the reset page, we can move it to our routing and set it in configuration of the router on same URL navigation and reload. Checking if everything still works. Everything still works. The last thing, if you have like query parameters, when we press reset, it will remove it. So we need to preserve them. We navigate to our form component, and in reset page, we will say query param handlings and merge. Let's again check. When we press reset, it reruns the guard, and the IDs is still here. And that's it. And try to believe in yourself. Have a great day. Bye.